To remove and install the battery on your Ranger 1000, follow these steps. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat, level surface. Place the vehicle in park. Turn the key switch off and remove the key. Pull up on the rear of the passenger seat and lift up to remove it from the vehicle. Remove the storage bin under the seat. Loosen the black negative battery cable fastener. Remove the cable and set aside. Caution: the negative battery cable must be removed first to prevent arcing. Then loosen the red positive battery cable fastener. Remove the cable and set aside. Remove the fastener securing the battery hold-down clamp. Push the hold-down clamp toward the rear of the vehicle to release and lift straight out of the vehicle to remove. Lift the battery straight up to remove from the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged. Caution: using a new battery that has not been fully charged can damage the battery and result in a shorter life. It can also hinder vehicle performance. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of the owner's manual before installing the battery. Ensure the battery is clean and free of debris. Refer to the battery maintenance video on the Help Center website for proper cleaning and maintenance techniques. Reinstall the battery straight down into the vehicle. Install the hold-down clamp over the battery and slide toward the front of the vehicle to secure in the vehicle frame. Install the fastener to secure the battery hold-down clamp and torque to specification. Coat the battery terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Install the red positive cable first to prevent arcing and torque to specification. Reinstall the positive cable protector boot. Install the black negative cable second and torque to specification. Verify the battery cables are tightened securely. Turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. Tip: when the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. Install the storage bin under the passenger seat. Engage the passenger seat in the seat brackets and rotate until engaged in the seat grommet. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.